to see you and welcome back to my channel. So I know it's been a while since I posted a video, and it's because we've been going through a heat wave and it is just too hot to film. I am absolutely melting right now, but it is kind of colder, so yeah, I figured, you know what, I'm just gonna push through it and give you a video, so that's what we're doing. And yes, you might have noticed, but I've dyed my hair and I'm trying to grow out my natural hair color because I'm just kind of tired of the blonde and I'm tired of dyeing it all the time too, so I hope you like it. So during the heat wave, I've been working on some things behind the scenes, and you might have seen this, I'm not too sure, but these are some cat bookmarks that I've made, and they are just absolutely adorable. I think that it makes my art kind of come to life even more compared to the stickers, and I just really like them. So hopefully they'll be hopefully they'll be in the shop by the time this video is out, so yeah, go ahead and check them out if you want to. And iPad time! I finally found my iPad and it was tucked away in the closet and I kind of forgot about it, but yeah, this is my very old iPad. This thing is ancient. It is kind of dirty and there is a giant crack along the screen, so yeah, don't mind it, but it does work really well. And I have this drawing app that's actually for free. I believe it's called Sketchbook, but I'll leave like a little picture of it on the screen so you can see what I'm using. So I've been having a lot of fun with this, I'm not gonna lie. I also ordered these stylus pens off of Amazon, so yeah, they've been working like a charm. And I do know that some people have like really pointy stylus pens, but these ones are, these ones aren't as pointy, they're kind of rounded on the tip, but for me it works just fine, so I am not too picky with that. I'm gonna go ahead and show you some doodles that I've been working on, and don't judge, these aren't like final, these are just like kind of just random things that I was doing, kind of playing around with it. So let me go ahead and show you. Okay, so here is my iPad and I couldn't figure out how to record the screen. I don't know if this version of the iPad even has a screen recording option, so this is the best I can do. Hopefully it's not too bad. So here is the sketchbook app that I was talking about, so let's go ahead and open it up. And here are all the doodles that I have made already. You might have seen this one in a short. Oh, this girl is honestly one of my favorites. She is so cool. And yeah, there's just a bunch of things that I was kind of just practicing and playing around with, especially Sophie's design. You know, me and Sophie, we struggle with her design, but I have this one, which is the latest one, which I feel like is getting there. I feel like something is happening, it's working, so yeah, I'm excited to finish that up today. But let me show you the finished doodles for now. So this one, I'm not too sure whether or not I want to put this in the shop. I do think it is cute, and the only thing is like it doesn't have a whole theme around it. Like I don't have pumpkin or Sophie with it. This was just literally the first thing that I did once I got the iPad. And yeah, I don't know. It is cute though. I do like it. So let me go back. This is the one that I am thinking of selling in the shop, and this is for the fall collection. So it's oh my god, I almost called her Sophie. It's Yumi, and she's holding a nice cup of coffee, I think, or cappuccino. I think it's a cappuccino, but yeah, super cute. And then let me show you the next one. So this is Pumpkins, and I freaking love Pumpkin's design. It is so cute. She is wearing an apron and she's holding a pumpkin pie. And oh my god, I just love this one so much. It's so good. Okay, next up is Sophie. So yeah, you can see all the ones that I've gone through with her. And this is the one that I am currently working on. So it's really like coming together, I think. And I struggled with her for a while now. I think one thing that I want to always incorporate is her bangs and also the little heart bang, because it's just, I don't know, I feel like that's her because every now and then her hair gets kind of crazy and I feel like that kind of explains it, you know. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and work on this right now and let's get to it. Okay, so here is what I have so far, and I'm kind of in between whether or not I should have her holding a second leaf or just keep it to one leaf. I don't know, because I think like both are kind of cute. This one is giving me more like pinup vibes, you know, like a kind of like, I don't know, like that playfulness, and I don't know, I like both versions, but I think the one is better. I'm thinking what else I could do to it. Maybe I can give her freckles. Let me see, maybe freckles. You know what? Never mind. I'm not giving her freckles. I can't find a good brush that gives a freckle effect besides the one that I already have, which is kind of speckly, so yeah, I don't know if you could tell, but I don't know. I think this is cute. I think this is really cute, actually. What I might do is actually darken up the hair a little bit underneath. I was thinking about adding some detail here, but I kind of like it without, so I think for now that's what I'm gonna stick with. So yeah, I'm gonna stop touching it because I'm trying to make changes and I think it's fine the way it is. I'm just overthinking it. Alright, and here is the final design for Sophie for the fall collection. So let me know what you think, and I might make some changes to it off camera. I don't know, we'll see, because sometimes I just have to sit with it, see how I feel about it, but I think this is pretty good, so I'm happy with it. I'm gonna leave it at that and stop messing around with it for now. Okay, I know I said I was done, but I lied. I added a few more details and I feel like those little details made a big difference. So what I did is I went ahead and added like some highlights around her hair just to help make it pop out a little bit more. And I also added like these sideburns for her because I feel like I lost that football shape that she has, and it's so iconic that it needs to be there. So adding that little bit of hair, I feel like really helped elongate her face and make it look like a football. So yeah, I was pretty happy with that. And then the last thing that I did was I added the muzzle because, I don't know, that's another thing that's iconic of her and she just needed to have it. So what I did is I drew like a little circle and then I erased it and made it into a little half circle, and I just added it like that. And I feel like not having it a full circle makes it a little bit less harsh. So yeah, I think for now this is where I'll stop. I hope you liked it, and if you want to support me, go ahead and check out my Etsy shop. Even if you follow my shop, that's amazing. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye!